Good morning, my lovely family. It is a beautiful day, and I am so happy that we are all together in our home.
I am coming home with terrible news, and I am so angry that I cannot even speak properly to any of you. We have lost everything, and it is all your fault, and I cannot believe how much money you have wasted on these things.
Please do not shout in front of the children, and let us sit down and talk about this quietly like two calm adults.
Tomy, I am very scared because Daddy is being so mean to Mommy, and I think something very bad is happening now.
I do not want to hear another word from you. Just pack your things and leave this house right this very second. You and the children are no longer welcome in my home, so you must find another place to stay starting tonight.
Please have a heart and do not throw us out onto the street. Where will the children go in this cold weather?
Take this suitcase and get out of my sight forever, and I never want to see any of you in this house again.
Come here, my dear children. We must be very strong now, because we have to leave our home and start a new life.
Please do not cry, Lily. I am here with you right now, and I will always hold your hand. We are very brave.
I must pack our warm clothes and your favorite toys very quickly. We need to be ready to leave this big house now.
You all need to move faster because I want you out of this house tonight. Do not take anything that is mine.
Come with me, children. We will walk out of this door together, and we will find a new place to stay tonight. The door is closed now, and we cannot go back inside. We must be strong for each other as we start today. The street is very dark and quiet tonight. Look at the stars above us. We will walk until we find a safe place.
Mother, I feel the water on my face. The rain is starting to fall on us. Should we run to find a roof?
I am looking for a building or a small shop with a roof. We need to stay dry so we do not get sick. You feel very cold, Lily. Come here and I will hug you tight to keep you warm. We will find a bed soon. Look at this small wooden bench over here. We can sit down for a little while and rest our tired legs together now. Children, stay close to me on this bench while we wait. Look, there is someone coming toward us right now in the dark night.
Please take this fresh bread for your children because they look very hungry. I hope it helps you find some comfort tonight, my dear.
Thank you so much for your kindness. Tomy and Lily, please take a piece of this bread and eat it slowly to feel better now. We must keep walking down this street until we find a place. Look over there. That sign says there is a small room for rent tonight. Hello, I have a little money left and we need a place to stay tonight. Is this small room still available for my two children?
It is very dark and empty in here, Mother. But at least we are inside and away from the cold wind and the rain.
I will clean this floor very quickly so we can sit down. Tomy, please help me watch your sister while I use this cloth.
Look, Mother. I found an old wooden chair in the corner of the room. Now we have something to sit on while we rest. I am helping you lay out our only blanket on the floor now. It will be soft enough for us to sleep on together tonight.
Go to sleep now, my brave children. We are together and safe tonight, and tomorrow we will start. Good morning, Lily and Tomy. Look at the bright sun shining through our window today. It is a new day for us to try our best.
I must stay strong for my children. We have each other. I will find a way.
Listen to me, my dear children. Today, we are going to go outside and look for some work so we can buy some good food to eat. The park is very busy today with many people. Stay close to me, Tomy, and Lily. We will see if anyone needs some help in this area. Oh, look at that small shop over there. The sign says they need someone to clean the floor. This is exactly what we need right now. I will scrub this floor until it shines brightly. Every coin I earn today will help us buy what we need. We are doing a great job.
I am picking up all the paper and trash from the ground, Mother. Lily is helping too. We want to work hard just like you do.
Thank you so much for this extra money, sir. This bonus means everything to my family. We are very grateful for your kindness and this opportunity. Let us buy some fresh lemons and a bag of sweet sugar with our coins. We can use these to make something very special and very tasty. We are going to make cold lemonade to sell to the people in the park. It is a very clever idea to help us earn more money. Lily, you are doing a great job squeezing those lemons for our juice. We will make the best lemonade in the whole world today.
Look at me, Mother. I am stirring the sugar very carefully so it all disappears into the water. Our lemonade will be very sweet now.
Let's put the table right here where many people walk by. Tomy, help me move it closer to the shade of that big green tree. Hello, everyone. Please come and try our fresh, cold lemonade today. It is very sweet and will make you feel cool in the hot sun now. Here is a very cold glass of lemonade for you, sir. I hope you enjoy it and feel much better after your long run today. Look at these coins. We have already sold many glasses of lemonade this morning. You two are such amazing helpers, and I am so happy now.
Welcome. Thank you for waiting in line to try our juice. We have plenty for everyone today, so please tell your friends to come and visit.
Oh, wow. The big jug is completely empty because we sold every single drop. We worked very hard, and now we have no more lemonade left today. We have a wonderful dinner tonight because of our hard work. Let's eat this warm soup and fresh bread together and be very thankful for today. I am so proud of you both for helping me today. You never gave up, and because of that, we are going to be okay together. Look at all these coins we saved together. Every single cent helps us build a much better life for our future, my dear children. I have a wonderful idea for us. I will start baking delicious cookies to sell along with our fresh and cold lemonade today. Do you smell that wonderful scent? These cookies are perfectly golden and sweet. They will surely make many people very happy. Please come and try our homemade cookies and fresh lemonade. They are very tasty and made with so much love for everyone to enjoy.
Oh my goodness, this cookie is absolutely amazing. It is the best thing I have tasted in a very long time in this city.
I must share this with all my friends online. People need to know about your incredible treats and your very beautiful and kind family.
Wow, look at this long line of hungry people. We are going to be very busy today serving everyone our special and sweet cookies. Thank you so much for waiting. We are almost sold out because everyone loved these treats. We will bake even more for tomorrow morning. Our little table is too small now. It is time for us to find a real shop where we can bake all day. Welcome to our very first bakery. It is small and bright, and it will be the start of something very big for us. Look at our beautiful new bakery, Lily and Tomy. The pink and white colors make it look so wonderful and very inviting today.
I am so happy to wear this little apron and help you bake the delicious cookies for all our new customers, Mother.
Welcome to our shop. We have many fresh cookies today, so please take your time and choose your favorite ones to enjoy now. I am very happy to have you both on our team. Let us work hard together to make the best cookies ever. This apartment is so big and bright, Mother. I can finally have my own room with a big window and soft bed. I cannot believe how much we have grown from one small oven to this big company that helps so many people today. Success comes to those who work hard and never lose hope. We must always remember where we started our journey together long ago.
This mansion is like a dream come true, Mother. We have so much space to play and a very beautiful living room.
The flowers in our garden are so colorful and pretty. This peaceful place is a result of all our family's hard work.
I am ready for my first day at this great school. I want to study hard and make you very proud, Mother.
I am very happy to share my story with everyone today. I hope my journey can inspire other families to never give up on their dreams.
Life has been very difficult since they left this house. I made a big mistake and now I have nothing left in this empty, quiet room. Is that her on the television? She looks so successful and happy now. I cannot believe how much her life has changed since that rainy night. I was so wrong to treat my family that way. I wish I could go back in time and change everything I did to them before.
It is important for us to help people who are struggling right now. We remember how hard it was when we had nothing to eat. Please take this blanket to keep your children warm tonight. We want to support you because we know exactly how you feel in this moment.
I want you to have this teddy bear so you can feel happy. Sharing my toys makes me feel very good inside my heart today.
This story is about a brave little bird who never stopped trying. If you work hard like the bird, you can achieve anything in life.
Look at our beautiful garden tonight under the bright stars. We are finally safe and happy because we stayed together as a strong, loving family. We must never forget where we started in that tiny room. This old photo reminds us that hard work and love can change our lives forever. My dear children, always remember that our hard work and our love for each other changed everything for us. Please sit down and enjoy this wonderful dinner tonight. We have so much healthy food to eat because we never gave up on our big dreams.
This food looks so tasty and delicious, Mother. I am very hungry, and I am also very happy that we can eat together like this every day. I remember when we only had a small piece of bread to share. Now we have everything we need because you worked so hard for us, Mother.
Look at the beautiful sun setting over our new home. It is a sign of a new beginning and a very bright future for all of us. It is time to sleep now. Close your eyes and have sweet dreams in your soft beds. You both deserve to rest after such a always know that you are safe and loved very much. I will always be here to protect you and make sure that you are happy every day.
The stars are so bright and beautiful tonight. They look like the little lights of hope that guided us when we were lost in the dark rain. We are much stronger and happier now because we stayed together. I love our family more than anything in the whole world.
Success is not just about money, but about staying together as a family. We did it, and I am so proud of us.